My overall impression of the assembly has been phenomenal. It's a really good curated group of people. And I think coming in, I was really excited to learn from a lot of my peers, but was really surprised by the content yesterday, by all of the thought leadership. And I think that was really valuable in just looking at macro trends that impact me on a daily basis. And then being able to take those ideas and kind of workshop them in individual conversations with my peers was really great. And I think the environment made it so that everyone was relaxed and it was casual and very comfortable. I've met so many great people here, and I think what's been great for me is that I work in a specific industry, and I've been able to meet people from all different industries. So our friends at United Airlines and beverage companies and fashion and Amazon. And so I think what's great is that we all have very similar challenges, and coming together just makes you realize that. So that's been a really great takeaway. The importance of long-term brand building is something that really resonates with me. And I think in this current environment, there's a lot of pressure to grow quickly, to grow fast, and to cut costs. And I think it was helpful to kind of be re-grounded in the fundamentals of brand building. It was a great presentation. And so among many things, that's something that I will immediately bring back to the team as kind of a reminder of that long-term view, even when you have short-term pressures. The location has been so beautiful. I've never been here before. Being able to spend time outside and not just be in stuffy conference rooms all week was great. We had an awesome trip up to Bear Claw Summit last night, and it just really helped facilitate that overall vibe of, casual, comfortable, and it's just beautiful here. The assembly is a lot more intimate than other events. And I also have to say that the content is much more elevated. So I think you can really, because it's a small group, dive deep, talk about very specific things with each other. And that made it a very unique experience from anything else I've ever done.